Brahma Kumari or some sort of Jain monk or something. No, but Jains, they, I think they have shaven head and all. But no, I just have to say this is something unique that I have discovered, that uh, joy and sorrow, these two extreme emotions, they come in, like if you've been very sad, then after some point, you'll actually, it'll, certain things will probably make you laugh and you will be happy. So I think, like I've heard this in the reverse, that they say if you keep laughing, then you will cry after some time. So I don't know why they used to say it, when I was a kid, and generally in school they would say this. But I think now, like the more I see of life, I realize these two things are opposite sides of the same coin. So if you flip it, sometimes it's happiness, sometimes it's sadness. So that's why you'll need to do meditation and then and look like a Jain monk to you know because balance is important in life. So no, I just have to say this, that of all the things on earth, if you are watching a good um, even something interesting like a reality TV, believe it or not, it will like, and when you watch it, you are seeing things from a from a vantage point, and you understand that okay, if in such a situation when a person acts like this, it gets perceived in this manner. And you know so I mean, this kind of, so basically you gain wisdom by watching some reality shows. Yeah, I mean, like as of yesterday I was watching this show called Made in Mexico, and I've done a review of it earlier also. But really, it's 8 episodes and half the show is in Spanish. So basically, soon I'll start making a Spanish YouTube channel. The number of Spanish shows that Spanish is, if you hear it often enough, you can pick it up. Like instead of hello, they say hola, and certain words. But yeah, but no, really, people. So this reality TV. So you'll try and catch this. It's called Made in Mexico. It will give you uh, an insight into how life is in. We all know how life is in the States, right? I mean, there's so many American sitcoms and all, but life in Mexico now, that is unique, right? So try and watch it, people, and you will just understand that human nature, regardless of the social strata and the geographical location, human nature is the same. So I find that very fascinating while watching these different reality shows. So really, people, try and catch it. It's called Made in Mexico, and it is quite an interesting upper crust kind of reality TV to watch. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.